What's your dream?
Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Joy. My senior year of college, I was the director of the Vanderbilt Recording Studio, which is a student-run organization for recording, producing, performing, and learning. That year, we hosted open hours, open mics, masterclasses, concerts, and more. This video is a little diary of the process I had making songs for and organizing our annual spring compilation album release and my final concert in the studio. Mid-February, our studio selected and confirmed a venue for our concert, and once it was booked, I started working on finishing 2 songs for our compilation album.
Someone kinda loving, someone kinda loving, kinda loving. Ooh.
It's almost worse.
Wanna be free, baby, kissing the sea. Just make a mistake, don't deserve to exist. You'll never wanna lose me.
Hey everyone, I finished recording vocals yesterday. I hated the vocals. 어려워요. But I'm doing pitch correction right now in Logic using flex pitch. I looked up a little tutorial. I thought the lab had Melodyne because they had it like a few years ago, but they actually don't have Melodyne anymore, so I'm just using the Logic Pro version of pitch correction. I'm gonna go back to correcting things. Okay, so I just listened to it through the monitors. I've been working since 5 or 6. It's currently spring break and I have basically until tomorrow to finish everything because it's currently Monday. I'm leaving with my friends on Wednesday to go to New York. So that's the last time I'll have access to the space. We have a compilation album due at the end of the year. I have 2 songs ready just in case there isn't a lot to put on the album. I think I just finished these 2. These are songs that I've had for a while. I've just never sat down to record them and produce them. So I finally did that. I feel like it has shaved years off my lifespan, but also it only took a few days. So really, maybe I'm just psyching myself out when I tell myself I can't do things like this. Not my best work, obviously, but could be worse, you know? I love a good deadline to make me get stuff done. I have like a lot of nervous energy. I guess I've just been thinking about how I'm supposed to balance everything that I want to do in my life. Most of the stress comes from thinking, because when I just do it, you know, it's like whatever, you just get it done, but I spend so much more time just thinking about getting things done instead of actually getting them done, which is like my actual kryptonite. But all right. I'm gonna head back now. Do you like my shirt? I like my shirt. This is like my husband, you know? So after that, I went on our New York City spring break girls trip with my friends and had an absolutely amazing time. The deadline for everything album related was the Monday after spring break, so I spent our travel time compiling all the submissions, finalizing the included songs, figuring out album order, doing some mixing, and sending in everything alongside the finalized album art. After that, the studio exec team and I worked really hard doing promotion, poster making, tabling, newsletters, social media, etc. Hey everyone, it is currently 11:47 on April 4th and today is the day before a really important day for me. I'm the director of the recording studio on campus and every spring we have an album release and a concert that we put on, and that concert happens to be tomorrow. So I went out today and I bought flowers. I bought these flowers to give to the people who perform and help run the concert. We got these from Trader Joe's. They were actually really cheap. I think $10 for a dozen, which is awesome because it works out to about the number of flowers that I need anyways. They didn't have any red roses, which is what I originally wanted, but they had yellow ones. And if you guys know anything about the recording studio, which you probably don't, this is our logo and it's yellow. So I thought yellow roses, yellow recording studio. And then we also have shirts that are white and yellow, so white roses. I'm really excited. Tomorrow's gonna be a really big day. I'm a senior this year and I've been saying this over and over again. I sound like a broken record. The fact that I'm a senior really hasn't sinking in yet, even though there's legitimately only 2 weeks left of class. Over the semester, I've had little bits and pieces of really sharp realization that this is my last experience of everything. Because this is the last big organization showcase that I'm a part of, and because I feel so like intimately tied to it, I feel like once the studio concert is over, it'll just really hit and I'll probably come home and like freaking cry. I'm getting so sentimental, it's not okay. Hello, I'm going to practice a little bit. Good morning. I'm going to class. Finished my research meeting. I'm so tired, bro. I'm about to pass away. Hey everyone. I'm getting started on my bass. I'm really pressed for time. We have sound check in 30 minutes, so a little scared about that. I'm so stressed out, bro. I can feel my body falling apart. Like this entire semester, my body has just broken down like once a month, probably, right before stressful periods. And I think this is my stressful breakdown of the month, except for I've already had one. So I'm just like, oh, look at that. Tired be gone. Concealer is so amazing. I'm literally shaking right now. Like I haven't even had time to practice. And because I cannot sing, oh, that's embarrassing. Whatever. It's fine. All is fine. Okay, not my best work, not super happy with it, but the show must go on. Eyelash curler. Awesome. Ta-da! I'm gonna wear this one today. I'm gonna put this on top. Awesome. On the way. Hello. We're on our way now. We're currently on the way to the CES. Oh, I forgot my necklace. It's okay. We're currently on the way to the CES, which is where we're hosting the concert. I can't believe this is all happening. I haven't even written out or planned for real what I'm gonna say, and I'm emceeing 2 of the sections. For a little bit of reference, what we used to do was have set lists where every person, like a typical concert I guess, would run a set of 3 or 4 songs. We wanted to try out something new this year, so instead we're breaking our concert up into sections: love, hype, angst, and groovy, and everyone's playing songs of theirs that fit into those categories. This way people who perform at the end don't have less people than people who perform at the beginning. We just had our sound check and now I'm running out to get chicken. We ordered Raising Cane's as our catering. Wow. Wow. We didn't get cups.
This is what love sounds like to us, so we're gonna go ahead and kick it off with Love. This song is called Summer Kind of Loving.
Wanna be free, baby, kissing the sea, be woozy and love it.
Hello, so now we are in the emo section, and what is more emo than missing someone? This is called Other Half.
Watching our breaths cloud up the air. I close my eyes and I'm there, and oh, I hope you're doing okay, and oh, think if I saw you, I'd say, I know we were far from perfect, but I still miss your laugh. You know back then you were my other half.
Moving on and keeping with the emo theme, have you guys ever taken so many L's? This song is called Wish.
Superpower, I'd stop time. Got too much shit to do and I do too much crying. Trapped inside the mind of a perfectionist. Make a mistake, don't deserve to exist. If I could have a superpower, I'd stop time. Take a break without the guilt, breathing down my spine. They say that you've got you, that you are in your prime. So why is it I wake up feeling like I'm dying? If I could have a wish, it'd be to feel okay, to know a happy ending's gonna come my way. 'Cause now I've gotta sleep, debt that I can't pay, and don't think I deserve love anyway.
One more time!
Finished. Cleaning up.
Place.
Taking it down.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, good job. We kind of built something.
Hey everyone. We're done. I'm actually so sad. I feel like I really put like my heart and soul into this club. I can't even count the number of hours, and just hearing from people that they've seen the difference and that they've really felt it has meant so much to me. When the event was still running, I was super go. I wasn't really thinking about it for real. It's really come to an end. I can't believe it. It's been a really rewarding experience. I'm so grateful I got this experience. I'm so sad. What am I supposed to spend my time on now? Applying to jobs, Joy. Applying to jobs. Hee. Crazy YouTuber cries on camera. Wanna see me?
Cause I just love that I don't wanna talk different. I wanna know where you wanna do it again.
Walking to my car now. I'm cycling so hard between like, oh my god, I did it, and like, oh my god, it's over. I settle in somewhere, and then right as I feel like I get comfortable and like I'm doing good, it's time to leave. What am I supposed to do? I can't believe it. I'm gonna graduate. I'm gonna graduate. Ah, I'm gonna be gone. Oh no. Need it back. I'm gonna go ahead and walk back to my dorm now.
Cause I just love that I don't wanna talk different.